Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's world has become a global village. Everyone can connect with each other. We can share everything with our friends through Facebook. But the question here is that how the Facebook story began, who made it. So viewers, in today's video, we will tell you about Mark Zerkerberg, who created Facebook. How did he came up with the idea of creating Facebook at such a young age? So the viewers, some people in the world are born to change the world. Mark Zerkerberg is one of the great people who reached great height at an early age. Mark was born in New York on May 14, 1984. His father's name is Edward Zerkerberg, who is a dentist. His mother's name is Karen Kaplan, who is capitalist. Mark has three sisters and he grew up in a place called Dobbs Ferry. He completed his schooling from Ardsley High School and then went to Philip Exeter Academy. Mark was good in study from the beginning. Mark has won numerous awards in classical study and science. Mark's greatest quality was that he could not only speak but also write in languages such as French, Hebrew, Latin, and ancient Greek. All this set him apart from others. Mark started programming in his school days when his father taught him Art's Basic. In addition, his father hired him as a private computer tutor. Dave Norman, a software developer. Dave taught Mark a great deal of computer knowledge. Mark loved programming from the beginning. When Mark entered Harvard University in 2002, Mark would have completed his studies and done a good job. If he wanted to, Mark didn't do that. He just wanted to do something big and do something. So viewers, say that passengers of big destinations do not stop. Maybe Mark was also a passenger of big destination. So he created a program called Face Mesh in which people could select the best image. This website remained active for a few days and was later shut down. Some pictures were taken off the girls without permission. So Marx later apologized in 2004. Mark decided to drop out of study and shifted Palo Alto, and he rented a house with his friends and built an office. Meanwhile, he started programming a new website, the Facebook. This website became so popular that big companies tried to buy it, but Mark refused because he knew what a great platform Facebook was going to be going forward. There were 500 million users on Facebook in 2010. In 2012, there will be 1 billion users on Facebook. That's why Mark's on $68 billion and is the fifth richest man in the world. So the views, yes, it is true that if the passion is due, then the destination is definitely found. Marx also endured a lot of criticism in his life, but reached the destination because whether there is tension, there is some solution. Now the question arises as to why the Facebook page is blue. One reason for this is that blue is a symbol of trust. The second is that Marx has red and green color blindness. That is, he could not recognize these colors. The like button on Facebook used to be called Awesome, but later Mark changed its name to Like. This is often said about Marx why he wear the same color shirt. So he says that whether he spends in picking for clothes, he will spend time on something else. Mark also owns Instagram and WhatsApp. We will tell you about this in the next video. Thank you.